friends, we are Pinky and Danny, and today we have an idea of playing a new game. Danny, are you ready to play the game with me? Yes! Okay, let's go! Okay, Danny, now I am going to draw an object and you will tell me the name of the object and you will also tell me the spelling of that object. Okay, this is an object. Tell me the name of this object. Yes, it's a bin. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Well done. Now, Danny, you will draw the next object. Yes, I know this is a book. B-O-O-K, book. Now it's my turn. Yes, it's a van. I can guess it. It's a van. V-A-N, van. The next object is a cake. Well done. It's a cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Wow, it's a cat. C-A-T, cat. Now guess the next object. Yes, it's a chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. The next object is a clock. Yes, it's a clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. It's a clock. Okay, I'm going to draw the next object. Yes, it's a flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Okay, next object. Guess the next object. It's an ice cream. Very good. It's an ice cream. I love to eat ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Well done. We played very well. We enjoyed the game. See you soon. Bye.